Model, 2001 Nissan Elgrand 3.0 Turbo Diesel Automatic for X4 12 months MOT Crew Cab Minibus. Body, grey, MPV. Mileage, 105,321. MOT, the 8th of April 2026. Engine, 2955 cc. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly, very clean, reliable, powerful, permanent four-wheel drive vehicle. With a fresh 12-month MOT, sensible miles, someone will be very, very happy. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy.